Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your DCI employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in DCI employee login. Then hit enter. Then scroll down until you find this website having URL as DCIonline.com. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your account. So type your user ID in the text field given for your user ID. Then type a password in the text field given for your password. You can check this box that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you'll be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. And feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.